This is a 2011 Ram truck. It has a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, chrome wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.